Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're installing a wiring harness on this here 4L60E transmission. Go ahead and stick your wiring harness connector into your bore that goes through your case. You'll see that it is directional. Here is your EPC solenoid. Press that into your valve body. Get the retaining clip and bolt. This is an 8mm bolt, pretty shallow. Or should I say small in length, fine thread. When you install this bolt, you're going to go ahead and use your torque wrench and torque it down to about 8 to 10 foot-pounds. When you're using a torque wrench, or a larger torque wrench in this case, like I'm using a 3/8 torque wrench, be very, very careful when you turn your torque wrench. It is very hard to feel the click or to hear the click. A lot of people over torque these and strip them out, so be very, very cautious. 10 pounds is not a lot of pressure. See that? Wiggling just a little bit, you can barely hear the click. Here's your 1-2 accumulator housing. Your accumulator housing is also going to be torqued down to 8 to 10 foot-pounds. What I'm doing right here is making sure that the piston is moving up and down in the bore. When you install the housing, you want it to be perfectly flat. Tighten down the bolts evenly. Don't tighten down one bolt all the way at a time. You see I'm going all the way around. You don't want the spring or the accumulator piston to go down sideways. That'll cause it to not work, and you'll have more problems later. Again, making sure it's setting down flat. When they get snugged up, I'm going to get the torque wrench out. Here we are, and we're going to make sure we're torquing these to 10 foot-pounds. I believe it's 8 to 10 foot-pounds. Go ahead and plug in your EPC solenoid. Lay the wiring harness down as it would lay pretty much in its place. This solenoid is going to have 2 bolts that retain it. You're also going to torque these down to 8 to 10 foot-pounds as well. Get them on nice and snug. And then again, going to get the torque wrench out and make sure that we torque them down to 8 to 10 foot-pounds. Your TCC solenoid, you're going to push it down into the valve body. You'll hear it click into place. When it does, you're going to use your clip and push it in. Hook up the electronics on a 3/2 downshift solenoid. Come around here to your pressure manifold switch. Connect that. You're going to connect your shift solenoid A and shift solenoid B. Make sure everything's nice and snug, and that is pretty much it.
Okay, so hopefully this video suits you way much better than the other video that hopefully got you to this one. But remember to like, subscribe, share, comment below, ask questions. Make sure you put the year, make, model, engine size of what you're working on, and if this helped you, make sure you check out my other videos. And I do have a helpline. If you check out my other videos, you call, leave a message, and I can make a video on how, or my recommendations on what you need to fix. So like, subscribe, share, comment below. I'll see you in the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.